Happy. Hey, buddy. Good to see ya. Oh, look, we have a woodpecker, too. Check that out. The woodpecker's here. Oh, he just flew off. He's just above. Hey, dude, you can't come in my house. Look, he's right here. He's on my front step. Dude, you can't come in the house. I got many animals that wouldn't do well. Hey, you can't come in the house. Hang on, I'll come out. Frickin' squirrel. You're such a funny boy. There's another one out there waiting. And Dove. You just want to be on camera. Alright, I'll sit out here. We have 2 baby blue jays. I just saw them out the window, and a mom out here. So maybe if I sit still enough, they'll come back out. Alright, Happy.